Hi everyone, welcome back to the fall term. I'm really excited about Tuesday, Thursday evening class. It was nice to meet those of you who came to class last night. I know there's quite a few who missed the first class, but I look forward to meeting you on Thursday. This is an introductory video to the course for those of you who may have missed last night and for those who are doing their online work. So again, the weekly work is going to be posted each week. And then I will tell you usually how many days you have to finish it. And I'm going to cut off when you can submit the online work, usually before the class, so that I don't get a lot of late assignments. But I will tell you when that's going to be. Now, so for week one, you're simply going to go into the introductions. You'll read the questions here. You're going to share something about yourself. I've given you an example. And then all you do is add a new discussion topic and submit. And then I would like you, I don't think I wrote it here, but please respond to other students, get to know other students in the group. So reply to another student. Okay, so that's the first assignment. Then this is just a question about where you like to study. So you're going to choose one answer. In this one, creating a good study space, I want you to go online and read and see what you can find out about what makes a great study space and add 1 or 2 tips to the discussion forum. Again, you just add a new discussion topic. You can provide the link for other students to go back to as well. So after that, you can read the expectations for the discussion forum, which I mentioned last night. Just what you should be thinking about when you post in the discussion forums. Okay, and then finally, there is some vocabulary, so just study the idioms. I've given you some new idioms for back to school with their definitions. When you open the file, it's going to take you to Quizlet. This is Quizlet, so you can just click on the word. Sorry, click on the card and it will give you the definition. And you can listen as well to the pronunciation. So if you look here at the bottom, you'll see flashcards, learn, write, spell, test. You can do all of these as a way of learning new expressions, and we're going to practice these in class. Okay, so that's for Thursday, and then also don't forget to post your idiom that you study. Remember the daily idiom is here. You just click on it, and then you'll read the idiom, and if you go down, there's a quiz, and you can do that each time you go to the website. And then you're going to post it in a sentence here, up here in the general discussion forum. Okay, so I see 2 students have already posted. All right, so that's it for now. If you have any questions, we can talk more on Thursday.